Hey everyone, so another day on the buggy build today. It's going all right, but having real problems with the steering. It might be because the back axle is so wide and it's so kind of short relatively. Just been doing some research on Ackerman, and I know what's got to happen, like the inside wheel has got to turn sharper than the outside, but I'm not actually quite sure how to do that with my steering setup. So if you guys have any tips on this, maybe just put some comments in on just underneath. But yeah, aside from that, today changed the mounts for the new front suspension, so that's a lot better. Works a lot better, and actually took it for a ride. So enjoy this episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to, and see you soon. Cheers.
Audio Jungle.
Another thing that's happened today is one of these new wheels has actually got a well, it's not a puncture, it's a defect in the actual tire. So the little I don't know what you call them, molding spikes, it actually leaks from this one. So that's a right pisser. I don't think it's a split rim, even though it looks like one. I think it's welded together. In fact, it would be, because it's a tubeless tyre. So gonna have fun trying to get that off and patching the inside. I've contacted the supplier and just got to wait to see back and see if they'll send another one, I guess.
Audio Jungle.